Heat up 1 tablespoon olive oil over medium-high heat. 230 grams or 8 ounces ground chicken. Add the chicken to the pan and spread and crumble with the spatula. Hello dear subscribers and new visitors, welcome to Pure Delicious. I'm so happy to have you here on my channel. Today, I'm making a wholesome meal that is both tasty and budget-friendly. It's easy and quick with simple ingredients, so stay tuned and watch to the end. Continue stir-frying until the chicken is cooked, about 4 to 5 minutes. Add salt and pepper to your taste. Remove the chicken from pan and set aside. Cut a very small onion. Did you know, a simple food like onion can really do so much for our body? They improve heart health by lowering blood pressure and reducing cholesterol levels and preventing blood clotting. Onions are a good source of prebiotics, especially inulin, which feed healthy gut bacteria, supports digestion and nutrient absorption. Add 1 tablespoon olive oil to the pan. Add the onion and cook on low heat until soft, about 6 to 8 minutes. Cooking gently with a bit of healthy fat like olive oil helps absorb fat-soluble antioxidants. We need 3 cups shredded cabbage. Do you like cabbage recipes? Let me know in the comments. Cabbage is famous for its health benefits, but is it better to consume it raw or cooked? Well, raw cabbage preserves more vitamin C and cancer-fighting compounds, while cooked cabbage is easier to digest and enhances certain antioxidants. For the best health benefits, it's ideal to include both raw and cooked cabbage in your diet. Tomato paste, 1½ tablespoons. Add to the onion and fry for about 1 minute to cook off the canned flavor. Dear friends, which country, state or city are you watching my video from? Please write in the comments. I'm so excited to know that. Add the cabbage. Season with salt and pepper. Add 1½ teaspoon sweet paprika. Add 3/4 cup chicken broth. Mix well to coat the cabbage with the sauce. Put the lid on. Reduce the heat to low and simmer for 20 to 25 minutes. Grate 1 small carrot. We need about ½ cup. Cabbage and carrots taste so good together, but if you don't have it, You can swap it with grated sweet potato or red bell pepper strips. A small bunch of parsley. I love adding fresh parsley to my dishes. Not only it adds freshness and aroma to the dish, but also it's packed with antioxidants. It's loaded with vitamin C, flavonoids, and carotenoids that fight oxidative stress and support cell health. You don't need a lot of parsley to get its health benefits. Just a small amount, about 1 or 2 tablespoons daily, can go a long way. After 25 minutes simmering, cabbage has become tender, but it's not mushy. It's a bit crunchy, and it has absorbed all the flavors from the sauce. Now add the chicken back. Add a half cup of cooked white or brown rice. And of course, the grated carrots. Mix well to combine. Dear friends, if you like my recipes, please hit the like button and share this video with friends and family. I really appreciate your kind support. Put on the lid and simmer for another 5 minutes. Add about 1 teaspoon Worcestershire sauce. Add 1 tablespoon butter for more indulgent taste. And finally, add chopped parsley. Mix for a minute to combine everything together and turn off the heat. This easy ground chicken and cabbage stir-fry recipe is a winner for busy weeknights. In my family, kids and adults love this dish. This recipe makes 2 servings, but you can stretch it out to 3 servings. Store leftovers in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 3 days. Reheat it low and slow on the stovetop with a little water or more chicken stock, or microwave it for 2 minutes or so. Serve with more parsley. Juicy and tender chicken is cooked with crisp veggies, creating a low-carb meal that's ready in under 30 minutes. Simply delicious. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'm sending you so much love. Take care.